This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It is my pleasure to be here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to work on reading 4 different melodies that are written in F major, the key of F major, as that's the focus of the lesson series right now. And of course, we are reading in first or open positions. So we use the open strings and our index finger plays the notes in the first fret, middle in the second, ring in the third, and pinky in the fourth. So that's what we're working on right now. Super fun. This video accompanies Lesson 13 from my Note Reading Books 1 and 2 Method book. So in the book, we'll be starting on page 85. We'll be on pages 85 and 86. We're going to play songs 11, 12, 13, and 14. As we're playing these, we're going to be jamming right along with the band, as I've got the band track that I've created for us to play along with, which makes it super, super fun. Now, each of these is going to be in the key of F major. We've learned previously that the key of F major has one flat, a B flat. We've got 2 B notes that we can play in first position. So the B flat version, then, for each of these, in review, is we get that B note at the 2nd fret of the 5th string. So for B flat, we go down to the 1st fret of the 5th string. That's for this one. And then for the other one, we got the B at the open string on the 2nd fret, and we've learned that we go down to the 3rd fret of the 3rd string for the B flat for that one. So B down to B flat. So that's where those are. Anytime we come across those, we got to play those as a B flat. All right, so each one of these songs is going to happen at 2 different tempos. First a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. So as I've mentioned lots, probably if you're struggling to keep up with the video, then you want to pause it, work on the parts that are giving you trouble, kind of bring them up to speed, and then try playing along again. But it's going to be super fun to play these together, so let's go ahead and do it. right, fantastic. That wraps us up with the videos for Lesson 13 that go with the note reading book. So the next thing that's going to come out are the videos that go with Lesson 14. We'll be in the key of B flat major. We'll be learning B flat major and also G minor. G minor is the relative minor key that goes with B flat major. So it's going to be fun. Take care, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.